Welcome to English in a Minute. You need water for a boat to float. But in American English, just about anything can float your boat. Let's listen.
Anna, are you reading another children's book?
Yes, I read about 2 a week.
Wow. Well, whatever floats your boat.
Children's books have magic and adventure. What's not to love?
If something floats your boat, it makes you happy. Sometimes we say, whatever floats your boat, when we don't fully understand why someone likes something so much. People probably say this to Anna quite a bit. And that's English in a Minute.